In today's video, we are going to learn how to format a quarterly financial report like a pro. We will cover 3 essential techniques: applying currency, applying symbols, setting decimal places, and using commas for thousand separators. I'm going to just repeat that: applying currency symbols, setting decimal places, and using commas for thousand separators. Here on my screen, we have a sample quarterly financial report. As you can see, we have columns: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and the total for each section: the revenue section, the expense section, and the profit section. So the first thing we are going to do is to apply the currency symbol to our financial figures. Now, what's the purpose of doing this? This helps in clearly identifying the monetary value. So let's go ahead and do it. The first step is to highlight the data containing numerals. So once I've highlighted it, I'm going to right-click on my keyboard or my mouse, and I'll come to Format Cells. And under the category, I'm going to choose currency. And I chose euro. So I'm just going to take that again. You highlight this data containing numerals. You right-click. You come to Format Cells. Under the category, you go to currency. If you click on this drop down, you can select any currency of your choice. But for this video, I'm going to be going with this, and I click OK. So there you have it. It's set, and my data set is now displaying with currency symbol. Next, we are going to set our decimal place to ensure consistency and accuracy in our data set. When looking at this, you will notice that there's already consistency in this data set, but just in case for future purposes, probably while working on a project, on a freelancing project, or on a job, you need to make sure that your decimal place is consistent and accurate. It gives your work a high level of precision. So I'm just going to show you how to do so. The first step is to highlight the data set containing the numerals. You right-click on your mouse or your keyboard. You come to Format Cells, and you can see decimals. So you can choose either 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, or whatever you want. But in this video, I'm going to be going with 1 decimal place. Then I press my OK. And there you have it, a consistent and accurate decimal place in that table. Finally, let's use commas for thousand separators. Now, why should we do this? Now, this makes a large number easier to read and understand. If you take a look at this table below, you agree with me that it's not quite easy to read these figures. It's not quite easy to ascertain the exact figure in this data set. Now, that is where your thousand comma comes in. It makes it easier for you to read it. How do we do this? First and foremost, we highlight the data sets containing the numerals. To highlight is quite easy, actually. Just click and then drag. So once that is highlighted, you come to your home menu. Under the number section, this is the number section. You can see the comma style sign there. All you have to do is just click on it, and now you can be able to read these stuffs easier. You can be able to know that this is 100,000, 200,000, and so on. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on data analysis. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comment section below.